everybody. Welcome back to Art Matters. I had an idea for a slime bar, and I was on the Carterville News 3, and I won the local, but did not get to win the whole kid tank thing. But I figured that I could do a little video to show all of my fans how to make slime. The things you're gonna need is glue, or colored glue, glitter glue, you could use whatever. Food coloring, which is optional. You don't have, you could do white slime. Baking soda.
And to watch videos of this.
Contact solution, a spoon, and a bowl. So what you're gonna do, people say measure this stuff, but I eyeball it. So what you're gonna do is you're going to unscrew the lid of glue and then pour as much glue as you want into your bowl, and then close the top because you do not want dried out glue. And then you can just wait for this part if you are just making white slime, but I'm gonna add a little yellow. And then take a spoon, fork, knife, whatever you want, spatula, whatever, I don't care. And just stir it until it's like fully kinda yellow or whatever color you want it to be. To make butter slime, you could mix it with clay, but I don't do that kind of stuff. So I like to just...
Watch like 1,000 videos
River,
of that.
stop! Are you gonna post this now? And then pure baking soda, just like, I don't do that clay mixing stuff because I'm not that fancy with slime. So I just add a lot of baking soda. And then just stir it. But just stir it, honestly. If you think that looks like slime, it just looks like colored glue. This contact solution part is like the most important part, honestly. And so take the lid off of it and then just pour it in. My thing with contact solution is I say you can always add more, because you can always add more. And stir it, and see, it will start to clump a little. And then touch it with one finger, because you don't want to get two hands. Cat, I will murder you if you get into this. Okay. And then touch it with one finger, because when you make slime, you don't want to get two hands messy. And if it comes out like that, you need to add more contact solution. I just wipe it on something that, yeah, okay. Okay, hurt my fingernail. Okay, just add more. I like to do it fast because it you add a lot, but really you add less. And then, so just, when it does that, you have slime. So you're just gonna take that out. And at first, you need to kind of knead it. It'll come around eventually, but you need the slime, Come on, you were doing better. Okay. You're not gonna post this, are you? Oh, okay. And so it will and can stick to you, but after you can it will turn into slime a little more, and then you could just start playing with it. And it will, okay, so see, I want to show you a little trick with slime. So if you have a slime mess, I'm not going to make a slime mess, but I'm going to pretend like I made a slime mess. Okay. There. Oh no, there's a slime mess. You have to have 1 cup of slime to do this. Or you could take one of these, really, truly, honestly. Come on. And then tap it to the other one. And tap it to the other one. And then tap it to the bigger clump. And your slime is back. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to do this kind of video. You may see another one because I definitely want to do more slime videos. So yeah, that's basically it. Bye.